I've got the dope library loaded up, and here's another interesting way to get the most out of Beatmaker. I've got one long trigger note to trigger one of these chorus loops, but to add variety, I'm also adding in multi-sample hits on some of the different bass and snare sounds to augment the rhythm. I'll just play you a little bit of this without these notes. You can hear the basic groove. So you see it's triggering this, which triggers all these samples. But then I'll enable these additional notes that I've got, and I'm enhancing the groove by adding in extra kicks and snares and so on to make it a little more evolving and irregular. Some extra kick drums. And in this video, I want to look at the mix controls. Now, it looks very simple, but there's actually a lot going on under the hood. Each library ships with 12 different mix presets. And by dialing up this mix amount, there's a complex 12-channel mixer underneath with a variety of multi-effects going on that fit the genre of the library in question. And we set a blend between the unprocessed sound and all the processing. It's more than a simple dry wet mix. It kind of balances them out together. And then we can optionally, in addition to stepping through the different mix settings, dial up more or less ambience, which pertain to the reverbs and delays unique to the preset. So let's work with this setting to start with. So I can alter the kit sound. I'll leave it neutral here in terms of kick and snare. So I'll dial this up so we can hear what each preset is doing. So very interesting how they're each unique. We'll solo it. Okay, add some nice kind of lo-fi multi-band distortion and compression. Some more ambience, drier. So that works really nicely. So very simple and intuitive, but very flexible. Here I've got Vice called up with a style palette chosen to more closely fit the tempo of my song. And I've got the same trigger notes, but of course they're triggering different individual sounds, but it still works. And we have a different combination of mix settings. And you'll see they're all named differently. There's extra snare hits. Nice sweet distortion. Dial down some of the ambience. So they're all unique, kind of interesting multi-processes going on underneath. That's nice and clean. So between the 10 kits and the 12 mix settings, each library has a huge range of sound and feel and mood available. We'll continue with more in the next video.